Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Precious, aka Peachy Presh. If you are new here, welcome. We have made it to Vlogmas day 4, and today we are doing some holiday cocktails and mocktails. I have all of our ingredients set up right here, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show y'all all the ingredients, and then we're going to go ahead and start our first drink. I will be creating 3 drinks today out of the ingredients that I have, so let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so here we go. Here are all of the ingredients and the drinks that I will be using today. We're just gonna go through them very briefly one by one. We have some champagne, Corbeau Brut champagne, picked up from Walmart. These I found at Dollar Tree, and we're gonna figure out if we're gonna use those or not. We have some ginger beer, which I picked up from Target. I have some Bear Fruit, this says Fruit Scotto. This is a peach, and I got that from my local grocery store, as well as the pomegranate, 100% pomegranate juice. We have some mint, not sure if we're gonna use that or not. Then we have some orange, lemon, some cranberries, and we have some dairy-free Soretto sorbet. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with our first drink, but these are all the ingredients we'll be using today. Let's get it. All right, so for our first drink, we're gonna use some, this is raspberry sorbet, dairy-free sorbet. Then we're gonna use our champagne. And then I kind of also want to use some of this as well. I'm going to start off by scooping some of that in there. Okay, we're going to take this. Add some of that. And I'm going to add some of our champagne. Can you see our drink? And some champagne. These on top for garnish. Boop, 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 boop. And why not? Let's add an orange as well. It's our first drink. Our first drink. We're gonna go ahead and try it, see if it tastes good. I like it. I don't know what this is supposed to taste like. I kind of just made this up on the fly, but the Shirley Temple, whatever this is, I feel like it tastes like this the most. You can taste the champagne. The sorbet you can't really taste. Let me try to get some of that in here. I don't know. I can't give you like an exact like flavor profile, but it is sweet. It also tastes a little bit bitter, maybe because of the champagne. What else? The cranberries don't really give it any flavor. The orange kind of gives it a little bit of citrus, but you can't smell too much. I mean, you can't taste it too much. It's very sweet. The sugar that I put on the cranberries, you can really taste it. but I like it. I would definitely make this if I was at like at a party, or if I was invited to like a holiday party or something. I would definitely make this. Yes, I approve. All right, let's go ahead. All right, let's go ahead and start our next drink and see what else we got going on. Okay, for our second drink, we are going to be using this green apple soda. And we're gonna try out this ginger beer. And we're gonna throw some oranges in here as well. So throw some oranges in there. Boom. Then we're gonna put some ice in here. All right, that was a lot of ice. Go ahead and open our ginger beer. Oh. This is a twist cap. And a little bit of this. Boom. Drink number 2, cocktail number 2, sip, sip, hooray. Just looking real festive. Okay, here's our second drink. This says Sip Sip Hooray. As you saw, we just put the ginger beer, the green apple soda, the oranges, ice, and that's it. So it's a nice little mocktail, you know, for the holiday. This is giving very much like kind of summer, like just the look of it, but I've been seeing a bunch of videos with like the little Grinch juice or whatever. So this is my recreation of the drink, of the Grinch juice. You can do different variations. You can add lime sorbet. You can, you know, do that. You can use lime Gatorade or whatever you want to do to get that green color. But I thought that the ginger beer and the green apple soda will hopefully be a nice mix. So let's go ahead and try it out and see what it tastes like. Okay. I feel like all I taste is just the ginger beer. Like I just taste ginger beer. I don't really taste the green at all. And then the orange doesn't really help enhance the flavor at all too much, but it tastes nice, nice and light, refreshing. I think this is definitely a drink that you can serve at a holiday party, given the greenness of the drink. Like we did in the previous drink, we got that red, fiery red, I was gonna say flavor, that fiery red look, which gives you very holiday-esque, especially with the cranberries added. But this one could work for a Christmas and a holiday drink mocktail as well, for those who don't drink. Yeah, I would definitely, do this too. I feel like the green, whatever that apple drink is, didn't really give too much flavor. So I would probably sub it out for something else. All right, let's go ahead and get into the final drink, I believe. Yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Okie dokie, we made it to our final drink number 3. We're gonna go ahead and use some of this Barefoot Fruscato in peach, and we're gonna add a touch of the pomegranate on top to give it kind of a gradient effect, hopefully. Let's go ahead and pull up. I didn't do too good of a job at balancing out the looks. I was trying to go for a gradient effect, but that didn't go out too well, but hey, there it is. So let's go ahead and try it out and see what it's tasting like. All right, so feel like the lighting was off in the last clip when I tried it, and plus the camera was super close to my face. I don't know what I was trying to do. Anyways, I wanted to retry the drink and try to give y'all a better explanation of what the drink tastes like. So let me try it again. So you can taste the peach. I'm not sure if I just don't know if I like this specific wine or whatever. I've actually had the Barefoot before, but I had a different peach one, I think, and I like that one a lot better. But this one, I'm not sure what it is, but it gives kind of like a musty, like, I know it sounds weird, but it gives kind of like a musty taste. Like it's not refreshing. It's not really sweet. It's kind of just like tangy. Maybe if I add some more of the pomegranate and see if that can offset the flavor. Ooh, it's giving dark vibes. Okay, let's see. Did not make it any better. So no. Okay, not at all. All right, let's go ahead and recap all the drinks that we got today. Okay, we have our first drink, which was, I don't know if I named the drinks or not, but I'm giving this Reindeer's Red Juice. Very sweet. I think the raspberry just makes it pop a lot more. The alcohol, the champagne you can't really taste too much, which probably is the reason why I like this one the most, because you can't really taste the alcohol. And plus maybe I just didn't put a lot in it, but I like this one probably the most. I would give this one, if I was had to do a rating out of 5, I would give this one a 3.5 out of 5. I like the components of it. I like it because it's sweet and you can't taste the alcohol. Drink, this is going to be the Grinch juice. This one I like the ginger beer. I like that it's very light, refreshing. The orange you can't really taste, but it gives a tiny bit of a citrusy flavor, which kind of goes hand in hand with the ginger beer, because the ginger beer is, how do you explain ginger beer? It's kind of spicy a little bit, just a tiny bit. Not like spicy, like hot, but just like a little bit of a kick, a little bit of a twang to it. I guess not tangy, but like twangy, if that's even a word. I don't know. But I like this one, light, refreshing. I love the color. Once again, you can substitute for a different kind of green drink to add to this, but this is definitely giving holidays as well. And then finally, we had our peach fruscato with the pomegranate, and This one is called Disappointment. Honestly, I would not serve this to anyone at all. Okay, y'all, I forgot one last one. So the green drink was supposed to have a rim on the top of it, which I went ahead and rimmed it with some tahini. So I rimmed it with some tahini, and then I just added some mint, and then I added the orange, and then I basically just poured this back into this drink. So you could do that as well. I just wanted to give y'all an option on like rimming and things like that. I didn't rim the other two, but you could also rim this one with some sugar or whatever else. And then this one you just want to pour down the drain. That's going to be the end of the video. So hopefully you enjoyed me creating these holiday drinks, cocktails and mocktails. Let me know which one is your favorite, which one that you would try at home, and maybe give me some ideas for, you know, another drink that I can try in the future. Christmas is coming up in about 2 weeks. So I'm definitely looking forward to trying some different holiday drinks this holiday season. That's going to be it for the video. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like this video if you found it interesting, entertaining, or something that you would try at home. And then obviously don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Once again, y'all, it's Peachy Presh.